In this video, I will show you how to check battery health on MacBook. For that, click on the Apple icon at the top left corner and go to About this Mac. Click on More Info. Scroll a bit down till you find System Report over here. And from the left menu, find the Power option. Click on it. Here you will see all of the information about your battery in the right side. Here you can see my battery condition is normal, and the most important thing here is the cycle count. You can see it over here, and this will show us how on our battery is. So typically if your cycle count is anything under 300, then this is an exceptionally good battery health. In my case it is just 59. If the numbers anywhere between 300 to 700, then this is typically average, and this just shows an averagely on battery. Now anything over 700 to 1000, this is typically when you want to start thinking about replacing your battery. So just go and check your cycle count in order to find out this information. And here you can find maximum capacity is 100% in my case. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to Mac369 and hit a like.